Hey Apple lovers, and welcome back to the Tech Hub, your home for Apple gear, accessories and smart budget buys. In today's episode, we're unboxing and reviewing the new Beats Pill wireless Bluetooth speaker. Yes, it's back and it's bringing the bass. So let's get into it and let's start the episode. So here it is. I've been waiting all week for it to come. I specifically hasn't opened it until I could record this video. And I've never really had a portable speaker before. Yes, I've got smart speakers, but not portable. So I'm pretty excited about it. Now, I never really had a use case before, but now since, the summer's here, we're using our garden a lot more, so there's a use case. Also, when we like to stay away from home, we're going down the Airbnb route now instead of hotels, and we love finding them with like hot tubs. So again, another use case. So now I finally have a use case. I have an excuse to buy this. And of course, it's only just been released. And I love my Beats Solo 4 and my Beats, I can't remember what they're called. These ones that I'll put in the description link below for my running. So this is my third Beats product that I've got. Anyway, check those videos out below. Now, let me finally get it unboxing. Okay, so as always, of course, Beats is owned by Apple, so I'm going to get that unboxing experience. Here we go. Lovely. Is that it? Is that it as far as tags go? Is it as far as tags go? Ooh, here we go. Oh, very nice. Now here it is. Fantastic. Let's see what you get. You get some instructions and a QR code and of course a USB-C cable because that's how to charge it. I'm not even going to touch them. I don't need them. So we got anything to peel here? Here we go. Oh, smells new as well. It smells magnificent. So we're going to do some testing in a minute. So there it is. I'm super happy with the feel and the look of it. At this point with Beats and Apple, you expect a certain premiumization. This is lovely and smooth. You can tell the build quality. It's sturdy, and I've got no doubt this is going to sound absolutely fantastic. So the Beats Pill comes in a sleek, minimal box with that classic Beats branding. Inside, you get the speaker itself, a USB-C charging cable, a quick start guide, and finally, a little return of flair with the new custom carry loop. Design-wise, the new Beats Pill keeps the iconic capsule look, but with refined edges and a much sturdier feel. It's noticeably more premium than the last gen. The grille is tighter and the controls are more tactile. So it's available in 3 finishes. So there's matte black, champagne gold, and a bold statement red. Simple, yet elegant. Now let's look at the spec. So what's powering the new Beats Pill? Here's a quick look at the key specification. So it's got the same chipset as the AirPods Max, Apple H1 chip for instant pairing and seamless switching with iOS devices. Has a redesigned 20-watt stereo drivers with spatial audio support, and the battery will last up to 24 hours of playback. So charging wise, it's USB-C with fast charge support, 10 minutes, which gives you up to 2 hours, which is fantastic. And that's the benefit of USB-C. Connectivity wise, it has Bluetooth 5.3 and multi-device pairing. Durability is IP67, water and dust resistance. And yes, that USB finally replaces the old Lightning port, just like all of the new Apple devices. So let's compare it to the previous generation. So that was released back in 2015, so it's been some time since we had an update. This new version is a major upgrade, so you're getting a longer battery life, pretty much double, so it's 24 hours with this versus 12 with the old one. Better wireless range and stability, way deeper bass and more dynamic highs, USB-C charging instead of Lightning, and improved water resistance, IP67 versus none. So it's clearer, louder, and much more durable, while still keeping that signature bass-heavy Beats sound. So let me get it going and actually test to see if it does have that bass-busy Beats sound. So like I said, I've never had this one before, so let's see what happens when I turn it on. Oh, you can hear the bass on that signature. Oh, I don't know if you can hear that at all. Bloop, bloop. So it just comes up with the pairing screen, just like it does with AirPods and anything else, or HomePods or anything else. So it's come up with a tutorial. It's charged 59% already. So let's see what we can get it to play. Hopefully I won't get too much copyright on this. Right, let me see if I can just find some generic beats on YouTube. I don't want to get a copyright strike for music. And really the only way to test bass is with some hip hop. So let's see what we can find here. It definitely has that signature bass still. The volume is insane. I don't think this is probably coming across on this video, but I guarantee you have that expected bass with beats. It sounds phenomenal. It's up and ready to go straight away. A successful test. Testing wise, as expected, you're getting that stereotypical bass from Beats. So whether it's a barbecue or on your desk, the bill punches well above its weight, the vocals are crisp, and that low end is beautifully thumpy without drowning everything else out. I don't think that translated well on my recording, but trust me, it sounds the nuts. Let's get into pricing. So this is £149 directly from Apple. I've seen it around about 120 on eBay. There was a deal on Amazon Prime. I got this for 90, hence why I got it. But you should be able to get the older generation for less than 100, but it's not that comparable. Think of this as a brand new product. 10 years is a big difference. Summarize. So is the Beats Pill 2025 worth it? If you're deep in the Apple ecosystem, want ultra portable sound and love that signature Beats bass, this speaker nails it. It's more refined, more powerful, and finally future ready with USB-C. And of course, if you listen to music, I personally probably wouldn't use it for movies, although it probably sounds great. Now, it's not the cheapest out there, but if you're looking for a speaker that looks great, sounds great, and plays nicely with your iPhone and iPad, this could be your next go-to and is really the only true choice. So if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more videos, and let us know in the comments, would you pick this over something like a JBL Flip or HomePod Mini? And if you are commenting, please be kind. And don't forget to ring that bell so that you don't miss next week's episodes. Please follow me on Instagram and Threads at TechHubWiltsUK, and check out my website at www.techhubwiltsuk.co.uk, and I'll catch you in the next one.